and I am a student from Umkhumbane Secondary School. I am also part of the Umkhumbane Performing Arts. Today I am with AKT's my keeper/best friend, and she will be telling you more about what Umkhumbane Performing Arts is about.
Hey guys, my name is Umkhumbane, also known as Cuddles, and I'm also a student at Umkhumbane Secondary School, and I'm also a part of the Umkhumbane Performing Arts. So as my dear friend here said that I'm going to tell you all about what the Umkhumbane Performing Arts and it's actually all about. So as we know, we're all talented worldwide, even in South Africa. And in our school, Umkhumbane Secondary School, we also have our talented students. And we created this channel so that you can celebrate all the talented students at our school. And